Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need your iPhone and Airpods paired. Once paired, add the hearing control so Live Listen is one tap away. Start by opening Settings, then Control Center, and add Hearing. This makes Live Listen accessible fast. Place the iPhone's microphone toward the person or source you want to hear, then tap the hearing icon and choose Live Listen. You do this because Live Listen turns your AirPods into remote microphones, improving distance and clarity. So start with mic placement and immediate activation. Once Live Listen is active, make it work better by enabling headphone accommodations in accessibility. This tailors frequencies to your hearing needs. Go to Audio/Visual, turn on headphone accommodations, then test presets or create a custom profile. This boosts speech clarity and soft sounds. Also, switch AirPods Pro to transparency mode or adjust noise control to avoid muffled sound. These steps help because they shift frequency emphasis towards speech and reduce competing noise, making voices finish by setting comfortable volume and confirming ear fit. A good seal matters more than raw volume because it improves speech clarity without unsafe loudness. Make sure batteries are above 20% to prevent dropouts. If you experience lag, stuttering, or no sound, repair the AirPods. Forget device in Bluetooth, then reconnect. Also toggle Bluetooth or restart the iPhone. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues because it resets the audio path and clears temporary software glitches that block Live Listen or the accommodation profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.